Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for maths exam step by step. Start by assessing your syllabus and prioritizing topics by weight and difficulty right away. Build a weekly plan with focused study blocks, short breaks, and specific goals for each session. Mix active learning, worked examples, and timed practice. Track progress, adjust the schedule as needed, and make sure to include weekly review sessions to reinforce retention. Practice deliberately with a clear focus on consolidation and timing. Use past papers and timed quizzes to simulate exam conditions and pinpoint recurring errors or slow topics. Break problems into steps, verbalize your reasoning, and practice similar variants until the method becomes automatic. Use spaced repetition for formulas and revisit tricky concepts after a gap. Keep a mistake log to transform errors into a personalized. On exam day, arrive early, settle in, and do a brief warm-up to steady your nerves. Begin with a quick scan to identify high-confidence questions and allocate time accordingly. Tackle easier problems first to secure marks, show clear working to capture partial credit, and label final answers visibly. If stuck, move on and return later with fresh perspective. Maintain steady pacing, hydrate, and trust your preparation to perform at your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.